So this is my iris themed journal, and I've tied it up with some sari silk, and this is a simple wraparound closure. I've done an interesting binding where I've made a traditional book block, and then I ran some more wax linen through the spine of the book to hold the book block in. This book is made with papers from the ARTYmaze iris journals. So it opens up and I have a pocket with a tag, and I have a belly band here with a postcard and a side pocket and more writing space on the back of that tag. And then this paper that I used was really old. So what I did to prevent it from tearing and cracking up was I ran a thin line of glue and folded over some of this pretty paper that I used. And so all of the brown notebook paper has that. Here's another pocket that can be written on, and a tag, another tag, and this one has sari silk on the top. This one is just a snippet of fabric. And again, to strengthen the paper, I've torn out pictures of irises to put there. So this is basically the whole book. It's 4 signatures. Each signature has at least one page that has pockets in it, one, two-sided page. And I also have extra pockets added to each signature. Each signature has 5 pages, 5 half pages of paper folded. And here's another tag. And there is room to write on the back. Now the kit I used from ARTYmaze, I used 2 separate kits, and there are just tons of leftover things that I did not even begin to use. It's an incredible kit. Here's another tag. This was done with distress ink. Another iris. I think that's another old iris. And here's a little folio. Can be used for more journaling. Some daisies. These were all sewn on. And that's it. Again, it's 4 signatures sewn together in a traditional kettle stitch binding method. I then put glue on the edge to make sure it all became one text block, and sewed through the spine to adhere it to the spine with just a simple pamphlet stitch. That's it. Thank you.